Good morning, ka-civilians. This will be the problem nga itong itatal. Okay, we have a pipe column is braced to prevent bending and buckling is subjected to load of 1,000 kilonewtons. Modulus of elasticity of the steel or of the pipe is 200 GPa. The length of the pipe is 4 meters and an outside diameter that is 250 mm. Calculate the required thickness of the column if the allowable compressive stress is 117 megapascals. Then we have the figure loaded on top, which is 1,000 kilonewton, and then height of the column is 4 meters. Since pipe man siya, hollow siya, the thickness is being required. Simple raman yun. Simple. Di malipat ha. Kung ni challenge nga problem. So sure ball na gid nga. Imposible na gid marong siguro mo ani. Wrong gyapon. Mo ba? Boga.
What do you mean by that?
Now, so the formula for the stress class is it is still under the topic na axially loaded man siya, although the loadings are vertically lang. Now, the formula for that is axial stress is equals to the force applied divided by the area. Di ba wala tayo lain nga formula? Maora man dyan na, basta axially loaded. Ang magdula na lang na siya class, depende na lang sa pangayoon. And sometimes, kanalan nimo ang knowledge sa statics, sa summation of forces, at the same time sa moment, sa statics nga concept. Okay, so the stress is given, the load is given, the area ang atong pangitaon. Since we don't know the inner diameter. Stress, pila may stress given? 117 megapascal. The load class is 1,000 kilonewtons. And then multiply that with 1,000 to make it into newtons. And then give me the value of area. Sige daw, gaya kong value ni area first. Let's try to solve the area first. 8,547.008. Nilang to apelo ng 008. Now this is mm squared. Now pay attention class. Kung ma-analyze ninyo ang problem, it is a hollow pipe, di ba? So, katandruin ang cross-section class, if this is the outer diameter, obviously, na siya ay inner nga diameter, and then this is the required thickness na may gihatag nga outer diameter, no? The formula sa area aning hollow pipe, area of the hollow pipe is equals pi over 4 times the outer diameter minus the inner diameter, then both are being squared. Di ba maora ni siya ang formula? And then take note class nga, ang outer diameter nimo is from this point, then diameter outer. So, kung mo siyang analyze on class, the diameter outer, that is equals to the inner diameter plus duha ka thickness. This is the thickness, igbaw gubos, and then this is the inner nga diameter, the small d. So, ang outer diameter class, i-compose din siya of inner diameter nimo plus ang duha ka thickness. Did you understand that? Let's try to get the value of this inner diameter. Kaya once makuha na to sa inner diameter class, paksi na to automatic ang thickness. Simple. So, the value of area class is this one. 8,547 equals to pi over 4 times the given diameter outer is 250 squared minus the unknown inner diameter squared. Now, give me the value of this inner diameter kung pila ni siya. So, that is 227.20 mm. Now, we'll supply this one to this formula na, the diameter. So, we have the outer diameter class nga 250 equals to the inner diameter nga 227.2 plus 2 times the thickness. Now, give me the value of thickness. Okay, 11.4 mm. Now, this is the answer. That is the thickness.
Push, Papa. Please.
Naratol na mo, kay lahi na ang gipapangita. Di malipat ha. Dili na ang usual nga katong cutting section. Hello, my friend. Pero kung imo ko na ba, the concept is naaman ang concept, di ba? Ang analyzation lang class, your analytical skills ang gi-develop basahin. Pagkabot gani sa exam class, ang i-check sa instructor na sa inyo, ang analytical skills na gina. Kung nakasabot ba jud ka sa process, kung nakasabot ba jud ka sa concept, the analytical skills. Di ba mga ka-civilian?